The 72-year-old has a gaping wound on her leg called a Baruli ulcer.
It's actually 1,000 bacteria behind the scab, eating away, forming gangrene.
It all started when the grandmother was bitten by a mosquito while gardening in Rosebud. Fast forward only a few months and her husband couldn't look at her leg without retching.
He said, you can't see it, but from this angle I can see into your bone.
Well, it's typically on exposed parts of their body, for example, the backs of their calves, their ankles and their elbows.